headlines. Clear and refreshing tonight. The dew points are low, the way we like it. Sunshine, pleasant start to the work week, and it's noticeably cooler the nights ahead. And fall starts Wednesday and starts off a little stormy. We'll talk about that too. We're in the upper 50s, low 60s. We got nice clear sky out there. Brewster 59, Poughkeepsie 57. This is jacket weather. So if you're in the Hudson Valley, you're planning your commute tomorrow, you won't need the umbrella, but you will need the jacket. My advice is to dress in layers. Right now we're in the upper 60s at Central Park, Belmar 62. 61 Islip, and West Hampton 54. So we have a little bit of a mixture going on there. Tonight we bottom out at around 63 at Central Park, mostly clear, but much cooler in the suburbs. I wouldn't be surprised if we see some 40s, some locations. Satellite and radar very dry. We have a little bit of that sea breeze. So we'll find even near the coast, especially at times maybe a little bit milder than further interior sections. It all depends on where the wind blows. We have that cold front coming through. It's not going to be here for a while. It's slowed down, and it's expected to combine a little bit with that tropical moisture down here. It's going to come together quite nicely, though. Sunny, pleasant for tomorrow. High pressure eventually moving out. Tuesday, another nice one on tap. And then Wednesday, that's when things will start to shift. We'll have increasing clouds. That's a precursor for what's to come. Storm chances do increase later in the day. Between 6 and 8 right now, it looks like the start time, but take a look at where this cold front sets up. We were seeing some heavy downpours. You kind of just got a glimpse of that there. Thursday, we were thinking that it really starts to pour in the early morning hours, but it looks like it's a little bit more delayed for the afternoon, and this is going to change. So it's important to keep up to date with what's happening. So showers and storms for your Thursday as well. Early Friday, it does clear out. So it looks like Wednesday into Thursday, the main days where you want to plan accordingly. You want to maybe skip the outdoor plans. In terms of rainfall totals, this is going to be quite significant in some spots. Over an inch in Islip, 2.5 right now. And again, these are just preliminary totals here. I'm sure it'll change at some point. 1.5 in Morristown. Now, this is enough to cause some flooding, travel disruptions. Along with that, we anticipate some gusty winds. So also keep that in mind. A little less in West Hampton, but again, that's something that we're going to continue to track for you. In terms of severe weather, we don't anticipate tornado warnings and watches and whatnot, but I imagine that that may change as well. It's still quite early. We'll keep you posted. But the tropics are still heating up. We're talking about Rose, okay? 40-mile-an-hour maximum sustained winds. The great news is that although it's picked up in forward speed, 16 miles per hour, it's going to stay out to sea. So we're not too concerned with that. However, Peter, on the other hand, as you could see, makes a little bit of a turn. And the reason being is that it's going to be pulled into this jet stream. So we have that dip into the jet stream. Take a look at that. It'll be acting as a steering mechanism, which is great news. It's going to help to keep Peter out to sea. Right now, though, taking a look at your 7-day forecast, we're in the 70s. For the rest of the week, overnight temperatures will be mild, but then it gets quite cool in the days ahead. Just to bring in fall, we'll be down into the 50s and 40s before you know it. That's your weather forecast.